Hey guys, welcome back to Dr. Explorer. And today we are going to shop in two very important destinations, that is Sarojini Nagar and Babu Market for Diwali ethnic look. And guys, Babu Market is near Sarojini Nagar. So guys, as you can see in this video, Sarojini Nagar these days have a lot of home decor things like these flowers that you can use to decorate your house this Diwali. As you can see, all of this is really beautiful and they will go perfectly with this season, festive season. So guys, next we have the ethnic suit sets that are actually fixed price. The rate are fixed and it is for 650 and they have a lot of collection of beautiful colors, beautiful designs. So you should go and check it out. You know, it's a little late because you know बनाने में time लगेगा, but you could go and buy because इस season वो बहुत cheap दे रहे हैं. So go find the best that you can find at the best price. A lot of suits that they are offering are visible here also, so just have a look. So guys, as you can see, they have the brightest of the brightest colors that you can choose from. They have written it there, so it's fixed price. You cannot go and bargain as usual in Sarojini Nagar. Just have a look. And this is a white suit that I really liked because of the print that they had. As you can see, this is the white suit. So guys, it's not just the only place where you can buy ethnic suits. There are certain other places, stores where you can buy good even saris and suits, very beautiful looking suits, and they all have fixed prices or they are at least at sale. So you cannot go and bargain in a sale or go and say if they're giving it for 350, you cannot say that you'll buy it at 150 because that will not be possible. So you could go and check out, and this is a store. As you can see, these are all saris and they have a fixed price. They've already written it on the respective item. And it's a wholesale price. So, you know, आपको कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा जो बहुत महंगा है. I'm showing you all the stores that are there in Sarojini and that are offering these kind of ethnic clothes for Diwali. So guys, because it's Diwali, there's a lot of offer even in stores in Sarojini Nagar. As you can know that there is a lot of actual showrooms and shops in Sarojini Nagar, and they all are offering huge discounts, like flat 50% off on a lot of stuff, a lot of products that are really beautiful. So all you have to do is go and buy some of these because they're really very pretty and they look really pretty because I've seen them. I've gone and explored everything that they are offering. Guys, basically even in Sarojini I found a lot of shops where they are selling gowns and saris and lehengas, and the lehengas here are very cheap. So I went and asked one of the shopkeepers and they said that they're offering it at 6,500 rupees, which is 6,500, but you could go and ask also if they can give you a discount or not. So guys, this is something that I really love, and these are the ethnic Cotys that you can wear even in college, and now because it's festive season, so you can really use it and pair it up with a lot of kurtas and stuff, and they're really beautiful. And the best part is they're really cheap. They're like for 100 rupees, and that's like too cheap. And because it's on sale, you cannot go and ask for discount on a sale. But as you can see, they have a huge variety of colors. So guys, there's a lot of girls out there who don't like to wear a lot of shimmer and a lot of, colors and, heavy material on Diwali. So this is for them because these kurtas, which are very simple, very beautiful, and they have a lot of styles, and they're for 250 each. So go buy one that you can also wear in colleges and, even in Diwali as well. You can pair it up with a huge, beautiful earrings and good necklace. As you can see, these are the kurtas that are for 250 each. So guys, this festive season, Sarojini is also offering a lot of cushion covers and, table covers, sofa covers, all type of stuff that you use to cover or decorate your homes. And they have a very reasonable price, like the ones that you buy at mall, usse bahut sasta hai, and they are very festive friendly. So आप festival में उसको बहुत अच्छे से use कर सकते हैं. All the sari lovers out there, Sarojini is offering sari for just 150 rupees. I know it's like too cheap, and you have to really go there and buy the best because not all of them are best, not all of them are the ones that you will like, but you can, because it's just 150, you can use it, like really. So guys, with this we end up our exploration of the Sarojini Nagar market, and now we're going to the Babu market that is just adjacent to Sarojini Nagar market. And here we are, as you can see, this entire market Very small area, very small market, but they have a lot of things to offer, and most of these are home decors, like you can use them as your home utensils and all these stuff. So as you can see, all of this is available. They're at a fixed price, and those fixed price are really cheap. Like you'll find some of these things at even 10 rupees. So you have to make sure, go and don't bargain, because they're fixed and they're already very cheap. Guys, here I'd like to add that Babu Market is a small market and there's not a lot of flea market stuff there. Like roadside shops बहुत कम है, ज़्यादातर shops है as compared to Sarojini Nagar market where there's a lot of flea stuff. ज़्यादा ही आपको फ्ली मार्केट का एक सीन मिलता है एज कम्पेयर टू शॉप्स बहुत कम है. एंड सो दैट्स वाई बाबू मार्केट में आपको थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव मिलेगा शॉप्स में, थोड़ा ही, बट यू विल फाइंड इट. एंड सरोजिनी नगर में इट्स वेरी चीप. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द एंटायर मार्केट एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ शॉप्स where you can buy clothes, home utensils, and it's decorated for Diwali, and they have things that are like abhi cheap mil raha hai because of Diwali. So at least you could go and check out Babu Market because nobody knows of it. So I'm like really wanting that you guys know and you go and explore even that market because it's just adjacent to Sarojini Nagar market. As you can see, they also have these shops where you can buy jutis and sandals and college wearing sandals, all of this at cheap prices, not as cheap as you'll find at Sarojini Nagar, but yes, they are also very cheap. So guys, this is the first shop that I went, and here this guy was selling these earrings that you usually buy from other markets, even in Sarojini, for 100 rupees. Here he was selling it for just 50 rupees, and I myself bought 3 of these, and they looked really very beautiful. And especially during this festive season, you can pair it, because it's silver earrings, so you can pair it up with anything and everything, and they look so beautiful. As you can see, the entire variety of earrings that are available. So guys, this is another shop that I went, and they were also selling the earrings, all of these different variety of earrings for 50 and 100 rupees. Guys, I want to add, for all of those who really want a good collection of earrings, you should obviously go and search Sarojini Nagar market, but you also have to go to Babu Market and just explore, because they really have a very beautiful collection of earrings that are also very cheap. With this, guys, we end our video. Happy Diwali, all of you guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell icon, and keep subscribing, keep sharing with your friends, and do comment if you like it or not, and what do you want to see me doing in the next video. With this, guys, have a great blasting Diwali, and also have a safe Diwali.